Even the way that you love, I swear I could smell the scent of yours. And in the way that you walked, I could hear that bright laughter of yours. Since one day you will disappear, I'll keep every part of you. Make sure that it's burned into the back of my eyes. It's not a right that I'm due, my duty that is must have been kept. Words like tomorrow or future or fate, no matter how far they extend their hands, we breathe, we dream, we raise our love in a timeless land that is far out of reach. Even the second our hands of the clock, they look at us sideways as they tick and talk. How I hope to have forever to spend this life. No, our future lies right here in this world with you.